Good evening, and welcome to this PSA. Tonight we're going to talk about a very important issue to most Americans. We're going to talk about knob microwaves and the danger they pose to society.
Clearly, an inferior house appliance. Something that not a lot of people like. You should check out our polls. Most people say that the ones with buttons are far more superior than the pieces of crap with knobs.
And we reworded it like that. So
Exactly.
you know that's scientific poll.
Yes, we even got support from professors here at Concordia, Chicago.
Don't want to mention names, but trust us, professors agree.
It's just a horrible, horrible, horrible thing.
Let us go through the traits of the knob microwave.
Just saying it gives me shivers.
Me too. You see, knob microwaves are called knob microwaves because of the use of those pathetic pieces of technology in which you must turn. Now, this not only takes precious seconds away from wonderful, normal Americans' lives. Precious seconds. It also is hard because it is in 5-second increments. What if you wanted 2 minutes and 2 seconds? What if you wanted 2 minutes and 12?
1 second makes all the difference.
It can. Between a destroyed pizza and a wonderful meal. Between a corn dog that's made by Sodexo, so it's not that wonderful anyway, but between that and a burnt piece of garbage.
We don't want to eat garbage. We're not animals. We are human beings.
The real question that you should be asking is, do you want to eat garbage?
I don't think you do. I don't think anyone does. No one in this world should eat garbage.
Thank you for watching our presentation about knob microwaves and the threat that they pose to American society.
Please be aware of their dangers and their complete stupidity.
Remember, if you want your children to grow up in a safe America, do what we are about to do to every knob microwave you see. Thank you. Good evening, and good luck.
And remember, do not fall the hypnotizing spell of a knob microwave.
Thank you, button microwave.
How do I know what money are seconds and what are minutes? This doesn't make any sense. Stupid, crappy knob microwave. My food will never be warm. You're getting cool, huh?